Jade. Pacifier? This is 0 plus, by the way. Hey, come back. Go. He likes playing. And also, he does put it in his mouth. Surprisingly. You ready, Jade? 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's going after the camera. He's so... How can you not love that face? He is absolutely adorable. I'm gonna hold you like this. Yeah. He did have to go to the vet because he had an abscess on the side of him, so don't be worried about that. Tick, 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 tick. Cute. Oh, you dropped your pacifier. You want it back or not? Either it like this. So that is the cat setup. And yeah, spoiled. Hey! I was just playing with my doll and then cat. It surprisingly landed over there. I didn't know where it landed. Hi, boy. Hey, boy. His name is Jade. And he is adorable. Yeah. It went under the couch. Got it. Hey, boy, come. He does get confused, so I'll have to do this then. See? Now you're in the room now. Go. It's okay, boy. It's okay, come here. It's gotten so big. Yeah, boy. Hey, Jade. Shh. Adorable. Cute-ish. Oh, below. So, yeah,